as is traditional on Max Machines, always a bit of additional car park footage. And I couldn't resist this lovely Citroën 2CV. And these are incredible cars because in a way they're not great, are they? But in another way they are great. You know, they're not very powerful, they're not very sophisticated, but they're really comfortable and they ooze character. And that's why people keep them and people love them, because in the world of bland blobs that we've got nowadays, something like this is just full of character. So, you know, I'm sure people that drive these get as much fun out of them as anyone does in their posh Mercedes or whatever, because they've got something different. They've got, you know, open top, characterful, 2-cylinder engine, really supple suspension, and they're different, aren't they? All these cars now are looking the same. I call them blob SUVs, but this one doesn't, although it's a bit eccentric. Look at the fold down glass. Wouldn't that be lovely in France? Just pop that down and get that South France sunshine on you.